Hi, this is Mr. Wallace, and again, I'm going to use our three simple rules to define the lengths of the red and blue side. And a lot of you might not be able to see the two right triangles, but in fact, the red line is a hypotenuse of a right triangle, and the blue line is the hypotenuse of a right triangle. And so let me help you see that. And so really this has everything to do with a slope triangle or rise over run. And so you'll notice that when I make a slope triangle, I have two sides that are 3 and 3. Those are easy to figure out. Also, on the blue line, if I make a slope triangle, there's the run of 2. And then how many units is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so again, the slope of the blue is technically a negative slope. It's 6 over 2, and the other one is 3 over 3, or a slope of 1. But we're really tying this into Pythagorean theorem. We want to be able to find the length of the red side and the length of the blue side. And again, once we draw in the triangles, the slope triangles, the two legs, then we can figure out the length of the red side and the length of the blue side. Because again, we follow our rules. Square the two numbers that we have. We have 3 and 3, which make 9 and 9. And if we add, then we're going to add those together, and that makes the number 18. And so the square root of 18 would be the red triangle. Let's go and figure that out with our calculator. We're going to find our calculator here. Where did it go? Oh, boy. Here it is. And so we go into our calculator, and we hit 18, and we hit the root button, and it gives us a number of 4.2426, yada, yada, yada. We're just going to cut that off at the hundredths place value. It's roughly about 4.24. So this red side is roughly 4.24 units long. Remember, the others were 3 and 3. We're going to do the same thing with our blue, and we're going to square both numbers, okay? And again, we're going to add these together because we're finding the hypotenuse. So 2 times 2 is 4, 6 times 6 is 36, and then we add 4 and 36 to make 40. And again, that hypotenuse would be the square root of 40. So again, we go to our calculator here, and we're not going to write that right now, and we go 40 square root, and it's just over 6.32. So our missing side here is just about 6.32 units. And so that is how you use slope triangles and the Pythagorean theorem in conjunction together to find the length of lines drawn in a coordinate plane.